Hello Slayers, welcome to our channel. I'm Sayantika
And I'm Sayanika.
This is our YouTube channel where we talk about lifestyle, beauty and fashion and majorly makeup.
If you like our content, then do support us. Today I will do a golden eye makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. So firstly, we are doing our eyebrow with Miss Clear eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Then with the spoolie, I am combing my eyebrow to make it in a place, which is very important to give it a shape. And after that, I will take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and conceal the area of my eyebrow and conceal the mistakes I have done while doing my eyebrow. I will also apply the concealer on my eyelid and the under eye area as well. Now blend. You can blend with your beauty sponge or brush like me. You can use any kind of brush, stippling brush or kabuki brush or any fluffy brush so that the concealer properly blends in. The blending is very important, otherwise the concealer will crease in the fine lines. Now I will set the base of my eyelid with some translucent powder. Now I will add some light brown color on my crease and blend it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Then we'll take some more dark brown and define the crease and blend on the lid. Blend so that no harsh line is visible. Now I will add some black shade on the outer V of the lid. I will even darken the black to give it an intense look. Now blend the whole color gradation evenly so that the gradation is visible. Now I will cut my crease with the same concealer and will blend it with a flattened brush. Blend the concealer completely, otherwise any kind of glitter will not sit properly on the lid. Now I will add some golden shimmer shade on my lid with my fingers. You can use any kind of flattened brush for this, but I feel more comfortable with my fingers. Now I will take more black shade on my blending brush and will blend in towards the gold shimmer. Now with some light shade I will clean up the brow bone area. Now I will take the first light brown shade to blend the harsh line on the crease. I will line up my upper lash line with Plum Kohl Kajal pencil. Then we'll smudge out the upper lash line kajal with a smudging brush. I will do the same thing on my lower lash line area. First I will line up the lower lash line, then we'll smudge out the kajal with the brush. Now for my mascara, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. It will lengthen your lash. You can use any volumizing mascara too, even falsies. Now I will highlight my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyes with a golden shimmery shade, dusting off all the eyeshadow fallouts from the under eye area. We'll apply some more concealer if necessary and blend. And this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it.